Now walk up to it.
All of them.
Just like walk straight at it. Like from spawn. Just walk like
Past the bus, like I'm
just
go
like
somewhere.
this one, like through here.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Wow.
That is.
We're back there. Before I had 6 of them back there though.
Yeah, that Winston works quite well. Alright, let's try hammer.
Yeah.
Okay. Hammer.
Them back there.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
Oh.
Nope.
Let me try charging him.
Yep.
Alright, cool. Hanzo.
You.
Alright, that should be fine. I'll just shoot it now.
No, I wanted to go there.
Is it lighting up blue?
No, it's not. I can't get there.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot it.
I got it. Angry turret stack. Can't really see it either.
You can kind of see it, like from right.
I am healed.
No, it's actually pretty invisible.
Can you see him?
Just like if I barely look right here, I can see it, but it's just a crack. If I'm coming on attack, I'm not gonna see him unless I go here. I'm probably gonna shoot something like right here, maybe fight a Reinhardt, and then probably back up and then get wrecked because I can't even get out of there in time.